Hi, today we have a really easy drink to teach you.
Today we're making a gin and tonic. So we start with a highball glass, we're gonna scoop some ice, and then we're gonna start with gin. This drink is really simple, you can just do any gin that you like. Right now I'm using Tanqueray, then some tonic, and now we're gonna cut a fresh lime. We're gonna start with cutting the ends out of the lime. Be careful with the fingers, and we're gonna cut a little slit. This little slit is the one that is gonna stay hooked against the rim of the glass at the end. We usually put the open gash, a little slit down against the board, and with the sewing motion we cut down about a half centimeter thick cuts, and that's gonna create our perfect wheels. Now we're gonna bring the glass. We're gonna garnish. If you can put this garnish with your fingers if you want. I'm just using a tongue, and we're gonna put the straw. And there you go. That's a gin and tonic. Let me show you some presentations for it. Thank you. See you for the next drink.